India's freedom struggle. The first East India Company was set up in Surat. Slowly, they took India under its governance. The British ruled India for more than 200 years, from 1612 to 1947. The First War of Independence or Revolt of 1857, also called as the Sepoy Mutiny, put down the British rule. The birth Indian National Congress (INC) in 1885 marked the entry of new educated middle class into politics and transformed the Indian political horizon. Later, the Swadeshi movement, which meant to boycott the foreign goods and using Indian goods, took place. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, 1772 to 1833, founded the Brahmo Samaj in 1828, which aimed at purging the society of all its evil practices. The non-cooperative movement started by Mahatma Gandhi played a very prominent role in the freedom struggle. The non-violence movement or Satyagraha helped in achieving freedom from the British rule.